How to display tagged photos on your Instagram profile. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get back to the video. To begin with, go ahead and launch your Instagram application. Make sure it is up to date and you are logged in to your account. To display tagged photos on your Instagram profile, firstly check out your Instagram profile by tapping on your user icon at the bottom. In the third option, you will see a tagged icon. Tap on it. Right here, all of your tagged photographs will be displayed. You'll be able to manage to remove or hide it from your profile. However, you won't be able to display on your main feed. People can easily tap on this tagged photo section to check out some of the tagged photographs from your friends or family. However, the feature of displaying it on your main feed is still not developed by Instagram itself. It is a quick process. However, if you face any of the bug or a glitch issue, press and hold onto your application and go to App Info. For stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. This will fix the bug issue. You can open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. In here, check out for any available updates and leave it if it's any. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.